up, sneaker fam? It's your girl 313 Retro Queen, and I'm here to let y'all know your girl hit on something big a couple weeks ago. Okay, you know they've been dropping some stuff. You know, we didn't have them. We've seen them drop just out of the blue. Fearless ones, things like that. 2 weeks ago was another day they did that. They dropped the Aleali May 6s. Now, your girl wasn't feeling them when they dropped last year, so I didn't even budge on them, okay? Then they actually did another drop of them not too long ago, maybe last month, I want to say. I didn't even try for them. They dropped again 2 weeks ago. I was like, you know what? This got to be a sign. And I'm not about to do these like I did the Turbo Green and keep letting them hit me in the head and I just keep walking like pink and just keep walking. So your girl hit on the Aleali May 6s 2 weeks ago. Now, I had these shoes since last week. So when this box originally arrived, it had been sitting there. So when I opened it, I didn't even know what this was. So I hadn't even paid the box no attention. I'm like, what did I order to come in a box like this? So here we go. Just so y'all can see, where's the, oh, here we go. It's on this side. Size tag. See that? Size 7.5. That's my size in women. There you go. And this is the Aleali May 6s. Nice little box too. You know what I'm saying? Like, I love getting like my shoes when they only come adult sizes, because then I get the nice box and a nice rack. And here they are. Check this out. I know y'all done seen these before because they dropped last year. But like I said, Sneakers app did another drop of these. I guess they finding stuff in their warehouse. They ain't got nothing to do over there, so I guess they just figured they clean house over there. So here we go. Run-of-the-mill 6, but with this very, very nice color. Now, when I initially saw these, like I said, I wasn't impressed by them because from the pictures, it looked more of a dirty pink to me. So I didn't really like it. But now that I have it in hand, I'm excited I actually do have this shoe. If you check this out, you see that they got the translucent bottom on there. They got the infrared hits on the midsole here. The translucent sole that comes up to make the midsole, that nice little air bubble there. These are 3M. Y'all know I love me some 3M. Then you got your infrared Jumpman with the air sign, with the air on the bottom there stitched in there. Then you got your infrared up here on your heel hoop, if you want to call it. It's not necessarily a loop. I call it a little hoop or whatever. But then you turn it around here and you got the Millennia Pink laces, all this on here. Like, it's a nice shoe, and I'm not a huge fan of 6s. You even got the Jumpman here on this satin portion of the lace holder, I want to call it. And your tongue, same color. You got that Jordan on the tongue there. See that? There's your lace lock with the infrared Jumpman on it. It's typical 6 tongue. On the inside, we have a pink sock liner, pink insole with the infrared Jumpman on the insole as well. So, I mean, I ain't gonna hold y'all up. You know, this is a dope shoe. I was wrong. I was very wrong. I'm glad I got it. Another great thing about this shoe that I like is this little detail here. This portion that sticks out is like so much smaller on a grade school shoe. And if you get it in women's, or if you can get a men's size, this is the normal size it comes. So all my other shoes that are grade school are actually a lot smaller, and it's a little different than the adult pairs. But I mean, you know, a 6 is a 6. It still looks the same, but it's a smaller shoe, so I guess they have to downsize some things just to make it fit and look proportionate to the shoe. So I'm gonna give y'all an on foot of this. This is a nice shoe. You know, your girl had to show you what she been copping. So doing the whole quarantine, and I got some gems over here. So anytime you can get something like this for retail, and I think it's going for about 500 or so on my size on StockX, I'm winning, okay? I'm winning. So I'm gonna show y'all this on foot. Y'all remember, check out Who Has the Heat. It's on my channel. Me, PM Kicks, McFly KOF, E-Money Shoes. We bringing y'all the dopest battle on YouTube. You understand? The original who has the heat. We are in season 4, and man, we don't know who's gonna win their entrance into the Tournament of Champions after season 4. So stay tuned, much more to come. Peace.